Okay, today we're going to talk about the volume of prisms and cylinders. Remember, prisms and cylinders have two bases, okay? When you find the volume of the prisms or cylinders, you are considered to be a height, okay? Remember your surface area, you find everything around that prisms, but in this case, when we're talking about volume, we're talking about the area of the base times its height, okay? For examples, we're having this triangular prisms, okay? This triangular prisms is having, having the base. Okay, there are two bases here. Okay, in this case, the letter B is the area of the base. In this case, this is the base of our triangles. And that is the height of a triangle. Okay, this line right here is connecting to the two bases together. So that is my prism height. Okay, so what we have here is volume equals area of triangles is base times height divided by 2, and time is prism height. Okay, time is prism height. We're having base, in this case is 8 times 6 divided by 2, and then I multiply by 9. Okay, let me cancel out. That is 1, that is 4. So what we have here is 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 9, 36, 18, 21 cubic feet. Okay, in the second scenarios, let's look at the volume of a cylinder. A volume of a cylinder, we have, here's my base. Here's my base. This base happened to be a circle, okay? That is a circle, so this is my radius. And that is my height. It is my prism height. Okay, same thing. I always want to write, if I have a volume, I'm gonna multiply by a big B. In this case, big B is the area of a base. An area of the base in this case is circle. Okay, circle is pi r squared, and I'm going to multiply by a prism height. Okay, so I'm going to have pi 11 squared times 5. Okay, pi 121 times 5. I'm going to have 605 pi. Let's see. 121 times 5 times pi. They asked me to round to the nearest whole number. That should give me 1900 cubic feet. Okay, what happened if I double? What happened if I double the dimensions? Okay, in this case, I want to double the radius to be 22 feet. My prism height to be 5 feet. Okay, if I double that, what happened to its volume? So I'm going to have the same thing, pi r squared. So that should give me, let me take this a little bit. copy. I'm going to paste it here. Oh, let me do this. No, let me do this. It's going to give me pi times 22 square. Oh, hold on. Let me change this. That's going to change to a 10. Okay, that should give me 22 square. That's give me 484 and times 10, 4,840 pi. So that should give me times pi. Okay, around 15,205 cubic feet. So I want to see, I divide that. Okay, in order for me to answer how is doubling the dimension going to affect the volumes, okay? So I have, this is 1900 if it's just a regular dimensions, and over here I double it already, so I'm gonna have 15,205. I'm gonna take it over. This is, I'm gonna find a ratio. Okay, 1900. So that is about 8 times more. Okay, so if I double the dimension, okay, the volume's going to be 8 times larger. More, 8 times more if I double the dimension. Okay, go ahead.